Watching videos on YouTube or shopping online doesn't make an internet addict. Internet addiction is when an individual doesn't differentiate between the virtual world and his life. Social networking, gaming, internet porn, blogging are some of the addictions that are included in the list of internet addiction. Besides just the amount of time spent on the internet, the way it is used is what makes an internet addict. Symptoms of internet addiction. Irrespective of the time spent online, an internet addict finds it less. They crave to go online and browse the internet, or do their favorite thing online, such as play games or chat, etc. They will not stop even if they are under surveillance. Cutting back on the internet for them is like asking a chain smoker not to smoke. One gets restless, throws tantrums, short-tempered when you cut out internet from their routine. Their minds are constantly occupied with the thought of their previous online activity and when they will take it forward. They can put their existing relationships in danger. For instance, there have been many cases when a spouse has left his or her partner and children for someone they have online just 2 or 3 months back. They will lie about their addiction. Internet addiction is often used by people as a mode of relaxation, from stress at work, depression, frustration, etc. Physical symptoms of the internet addicts. They lack personal hygiene. They prefer to look shabby or dirty and be online than take a bath and look neat and clean. Continued usage of laptops, computers, and smartphones cause headaches, back pain, insomnia, and spondylitis. Not to forget vision problems of different types. They will either be obese or very thin. Some will eat junk on their tabletops, living off fries, burgers, and pizza, while the others will not bother to eat at all. How to deal with internet addiction. Meditation is a great way to control one's mind. Indulging in other outdoor activities, such as dancing, music, or learning art, can also help the internet addicts to come out of their addiction. Spending time in gym around real people helps them snap out of their routine habit. Lessen the number of social media accounts. Keeping just a couple of them will take less time to check notifications and reply back. Socializing with friends and family is a great way to cut down on internet. Going out with them, planning weekends with them, and even organizing tea parties at one's home is a good way to spend leisure time. DIY projects are also very helpful to internet addicts. From making a small tea coaster to constructing a treehouse, every project will keep them away from the internet. While they indulge in DIYs, they also grow their skills and stabilize their thoughts in doing something constructive. Turning off notifications on smartphone has also helped the internet addicts to concentrate in doing other jobs. Addicts of online gambling or online stock trading, even after incurring loss and debts, should take help from their therapists.